Hello students, welcome to the first chapter of second semester. I am going to teach you chapter number 5 today, that is presentation visual effects. Now this chapter is all about MS PowerPoint. You all know what MS PowerPoint is. It is a presentation software. Now it is also a part of MS Office package that allows the user to create a presentation with multimedia effects. Dear students, as you know that a presentation is a systematic display of information along with graphics, movies, sound, etc., which are displayed on the screen in a systematic manner. Now today we will look few more features of MS PowerPoint. The first thing what we are going to see is how to work with existing presentation files. That means if there is a presentation made already, how to work with the files. Okay, so let us begin with the topic. So students, now we will see how to open an existing file in MS PowerPoint. Here I have opened MS PowerPoint, and through this application I will open an existing file which I have made already. So to open that, as it is written in your book also, so we will follow the same path. What we need to do, click on the file option, then the backstage view will come on the screen, then click on open, and when you click on open, again the next menu will appear. There you click on computer, or in your computer it might come browse. You click on browse, and when you click on browse, it will ask you where you have kept the file. As I have kept the file on the desktop, so I will go to the desktop and I will search for the file. Now this is the file I have made, welcome. So I will select the file and I will click on open, and this is the way the file comes on the screen. Now to the left hand side you can see small rectangular boxes. Now these are called slides. Like in MS Word we have pages, in MS Excel we have worksheets. Same way the pages in PowerPoint are called slide. Now these slides are displayed one by one on the screen to communicate information to the people. When these slides are grouped together in a sequence, it forms a slideshow. Okay, now let us see different views of MS PowerPoint. Now what are these different views? The view which you are seeing right now, it is called the normal view of MS PowerPoint. Now other than this normal view, what are the views? If you want to check, at the top if you see there are different menus: home, insert, design. Same way to the right hand side, one menu is there that is called view. When I click on view, you will see a ribbon appears on the screen. Now to the left hand side of that ribbon, the first option is given normal, which is already there on the screen, the normal view. In normal view you can make the slide, you can edit the slide, you can see the miniature screens of the slide. That happens in normal view. Now if I click on outline view, what happens? In outline view you will get the text of multiple slides in outline form. That means you can work in outline view when you need to organize the structure of your PowerPoint presentation. Same way when I click on slide sorter view. Now in slide sorter view, what happens? In slide sorter view you can see all the slides of your presentation on the screen at a reduced scale. You cannot add text or pictures in this view, but you can change the order of the slides. Now as it is written that you can change the order of the slides, let us do that. Suppose the second slide I want to make it the last slide. So what I did, just I dragged the second slide to the right corner. Now the second slide, it became the last slide. Suppose again the third slide, I want to make it the second slide. So just you drag and drop, and you can, by dragging and dropping, you can rearrange the slide in slide sorter view. But again, let me tell you, you cannot edit the data inside the slide. Only you can rearrange. Only you can rearrange the sequence, which slide where you want to keep in a sequence. Okay, so normal view, slide sorter view, outline view you come to know. Now let us come to reading view. Now reading view means it is just like a preview. You can see what are the contents here on the screen of each and every slide, one by pressing the right arrow button of the keyboard, or by clicking on any key on the keyboard, you can change the slides to see the content of your slide. Suppose if you want to remove this reading view, what you need to do, just press the escape button. Where is the escape button on the keyboard? To the left top corner of the keyboard. So these are the different views in MS PowerPoint. Hello students, let us see how to insert a picture or a group of pictures in a PowerPoint presentation. To insert a picture, we will go to the insert menu given at the top just beside home button. So as you click on insert menu, what happens, the different options under insert menu, the whole ribbon, it comes on the screen. We need to click on the pictures option. As you click on the pictures option, what you need to do, you have to go to that particular folder where you have kept the pictures. So as I have kept some pictures on the desktop, then I will go to sample pictures. This is the folder which I have kept on the desktop. Just I will go to that particular folder, then I will select the picture. After clicking on the picture, just select and click on insert. And as you click on insert, you can see the picture comes on the screen. You can resize the picture according to your need. So I have resized one picture. So this is the way you can insert a picture. Now if I want to insert multiple pictures, 2-3 pictures at a time, what I need to do? Again, just go to insert, click on pictures, go to that particular folder from where you want to insert multiple pictures. Select one picture, then press the control button on the keyboard, then go on selecting different pictures. As you can see, I have selected 3 different pictures, 3 different images. So after selecting these 3 different images, leave the control button and click on insert. Now all the 3 images are here on my slide. So what I will do, I will just resize all the image according to my need, and I will place it wherever I need to keep the different pictures. So as you saw that we can insert a single picture also, and we can insert multiple pictures also at a time in one slide. Okay, same way you can insert pictures in any of the slide of a PowerPoint presentation. Let us say now I am in the second slide. Now in second slide already there are 3 images. To the right hand side of the slide, if you see, there are 3 images inserted. So if you want to replace the image, any of the image, then what you need to do, just select the image, then right click on the image, a menu comes, then click on change picture. Click on change picture, then what you need to do, click on browse. After you click on browse, what will happen? It will take you to the browsing box. From there, what you need to do, again you go to the folder where you have kept all your different images, select one of the image and click on insert, and the image is replaced with the new image. So this is the way you can insert one picture, a group of pictures, or also you can replace an existing picture. So this is the way it is done. Now let us see how to insert audio clips in a slide or in a group of slides. To insert audio clips, again we need to go to Insert tab. Now to the right hand side of the Insert tab ribbon, there is an option called Audio, as you can see here on the screen. So just click on the audio, then click on, suppose if you have some audio clips kept somewhere in your computer, you have stored some songs, instrumentals, or some recorded voice, whatever is there in your computer already saved. So what you need to do? You need to click on Audio on my PC. Then wherever you have kept the audio, you need to go to that folder. As I have kept an audio that is on the desktop, again on the sample pictures folder, and here is an audio track. So what I need to do, I will click on the audio track and I will click on Insert. So as you can see that as I clicked on Insert, an icon, it appeared on the slide. Now first what we can do, we can put the icon anywhere on the slide. So to the left hand side of that icon there is a play button. As I clicked on the play button, you can see the song started playing. So now what we can do, same way we can go on putting different audio clips in different audio slides. It all depends on us. Now this is one way of inserting audio clips into different PowerPoint slides. Now I will show you how to put our own voice into a slide. Let us say I will go to the second slide of this MS PowerPoint presentation. Again I will go to Insert, I will go to Audio. Now this time I will not click on Audio on my PC. Where I will click on Record Audio. As I clicked on Record Audio, the Record Audio option, it comes on the screen. Now after clicking on the red radio button which is given on the screen, as I will click there, after clicking whatever I say that will get recorded. Okay, so let me show you a sample. Hello, this is I am testing how to record a sound and to put it into a slide, and now I will click on OK. Now after clicking on OK, here you can see one speaker icon comes on the screen. Now I am going to click on the play button. Hello, this is I am testing how to record a sound and to put it into a slide. Now as you saw, dear students, whatever I recorded through that record audio mode, it is recorded into the slide. Now this particular recorded audio, it becomes the sound of this particular slide. Same way we can go on putting different types of sounds in different slides. This is second way of putting audio clips into a slide. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to insert videos into a slide. To insert videos, again we will go to Insert menu. In Insert menu to the right hand side, just beside audio option, there is an option called video. Just click on the video, click on videos on my PC, then browse the box and go to the folder or on the drive, whether it is kept on the desktop, wherever you have kept. Just browse and go to that particular place and then select that video whichever you want to insert and then click on Insert. As you click on Insert, you will see the video, it comes on the screen. Now here is the play button, just down to the video. If I click on the play button, what will happen? it will start playing. Now we can resize the video according to our need. I will show you how to resize. Just when you click on the video, you can see at the top, middle, down, all the sides there are few dots. Now selecting any one of the dot, what you need to do? You need to resize the video. Now according to my need, what I have done, I have resized the video. Then again let me see whether it is playing or not. I clicked on the play button and it is playing. So this is the way we can insert a video into a slide.